Time now for the Morning Rush. We start with new news this morning. The State Court of Appeals has overturned a conviction of child abuse resulting in death against Stephen Casals, the man serving time for the death of his stepson, Omari Varela. Casals is currently serving a 30-year prison sentence for his role in the boy's death. A jury found that while he did not actually beat the boy, he was responsible for not stopping it. Now the State Court of Appeals has voided that conviction, agreeing with Casals' attorney, who argued that the state did not offer sufficient evidence that medical neglect was a significant cause of Omari's death. They cite a Supreme Court case for that. His remaining convictions were affirmed by the court. Kristen.
Rain and snow moving west to east across the state this morning. Albuquerque still looking at the chance for a few spot showers by mid-morning, likely in the form of rain. The snow will be up in the mountains through the day today. We take a break tomorrow. We do have another storm likely by Sunday. Crystal?
Today, the Archdiocese of Santa Fe will continue moving forward with filing Chapter 11 bankruptcy. They plan to complete the process by next week. Archbishop John C. Wester says this will give the Archdiocese time to get its finances in order as it faces what Wester says is the real prospect of running out of money to settle lawsuits. This in connection to sex abuse by clergy members. According to the New Mexican, Wester says there are about 35 open cases involving the Archdiocese. The once missing North Carolina teen allegedly abducted by an Albuquerque man is back home with her family this morning. New this morning. Today, her accused abductor is expected in court. 23-year-old Jacob Gardea is facing kidnapping charges in North Carolina. Federal investigators say more charges could be coming. He was arrested by Oklahoma police Wednesday night at a motel in Oklahoma. Investigators say 13-year-old Aubrey Cree, who is developmentally disabled, likely got into the car willingly at her North Carolina home. Authorities believe he was driving them to his home in New Mexico. On to other news happening today, and new at 6, a Bernalillo County sergeant is expected to be arraigned on charges that he beat up a man during an arrest. You might remember a judge ruled there was enough evidence for Sergeant Primozon, a Bernalillo County Sheriff's deputy, to move forward with the case. A Bernalillo County Sheriff's deputy testified last week saying he watched as the sergeant kicked Christopher Lucero in the face. Deputies say Lucero drove toward oncoming traffic, then towards people walking in March. This morning, a second driver says she's going to police to report her window possibly being shot out while she was driving on I-25. You can see the damage right here behind me. Patricia says it happened about 2 weeks ago when all of a sudden her back window on the driver's side shattered. She had just exited I-25 northbound to Lead. Earlier this week, another woman shared a similar story, saying it happened to her on I-25 near Lomas. Kristen.
Today's Metro Threat Index up to a 7, looking at those showers this morning. Colder temperatures too, as we're only likely to make it to the upper 40s in Albuquerque this afternoon. On top of that, those breezy conditions out of the west, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Crystal?
APD is calling it a new kind of scheme, a man yelling for help only to try and steal from those who come to his aid. Casey Stavert says last weekend near Montgomery and Morris, he and his roommates ran outside when they heard a man screaming for help, saying he had just been robbed. He says when he got to the unidentified man, the man told him he wanted his car keys to chase after the thief. Stavert said no, then called 911. The suspect then grabbed his phone, smashed it, and took off. This weekend, many of us will likely decorate our homes for the holidays. All of that added electricity surging through your home could mean a costly increase on your electric bill. P&M is suggesting using LED bulbs. They use 70% less energy than traditional bulbs and last 10 times longer. You can also limit hourly usage by using timers. If you're having company over, they also suggest turning down that thermostat to save on money. Kristen.
Time now for a check on traffic. The map looks good, no major crashes there, but we do have our news tracker out this morning. I-40 headed west towards the rain and snow. You can see all the cloud cover overhead. Waiting on those showers. We'll keep you updated throughout the morning.
And finally, being hailed a hero this morning, crews from Norton Fire Department in Ohio were seen pulling a dog from frigid waters after it had fallen in. You can see the dog there struggling in the middle of a partially frozen pond before being rescued. A firefighter was eventually able to pull the guy to safety and make sure that he's okay this morning.
We're taking you back a year. On this day in New Mexico history, we closed out the warmest November on record here in Albuquerque. We were 7.9 degrees above normal on average. Coldest November was 1929.
Thank God we're not there.
Yeah.
All right, time for the 5 facts.
We start 5 this morning. You only have a couple more weeks to visit one of New Mexico's last drive-in movie theaters before they close their doors for good. The company says it's due to declining businesses. business that is. The Fiesta Drive-In in Carlsbad is one of 2 remaining drive-ins in the state. It opened back in 1948.
Number 4 now, drivers beware as second driver has come forward believing her window was also shot out while driving an I-25. Patricia says 2 weeks ago when she was exiting I-25 to lead, her back window on the driver's side shattered. Earlier this week, another woman shared a similar story, saying it happened on I-25 near Lomas. Both incidents happening in the morning.
At number 3, rain and snow moving in today. Windy conditions across the state and cooler temperatures through the weekend.
Number 2 now. Today, the Archdiocese of Santa Fe will continue moving forward with filing Chapter 11 bankruptcy. They plan to formally complete the process next week. The Archbishop says this is to cover claims of clergy's sexual abuse that spanned for decades. On to number 1 now. An update to breaking news KRQE Mornings brought you yesterday morning. The once missing North Carolina teen, allegedly abducted by an Albuquerque man, is back home with her family this morning. Today, Jacob Gardea is set to have his first day in court in Oklahoma, where extradition back to North Carolina is expected to be addressed. He is facing kidnapping charges in North Carolina. Federal officials say more charges could be pending.